Do we see how good my hair looks right now? Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. So excited to be back and to try this new wash and go that I'm trying with y'all. I've been seeing one product wash and goes go all over TikTok, and I just want to try it. I want mine to be like full and voluminous but still have a little hold. So let's see if I can get it done today. Before we hop in, if you haven't already, make that gray button red. No, make that red button gray and subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on all my social media accounts, which will be listed below. Like, go follow me, comment on my pictures, my cute chocolate face, and my curls. Let's just get right into it. Today I'm going to be using the Curl Activating Mousse by Not Your Mother's. It's for all curl types and it gives a soft, touchable hold. I really want to be free from the shackles that I have to douse my hair with gel just for it to like hold a define curled. But I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I do have in my leave-in by Reckon and a hair bondage balm by Reckon as well, because your girl does have heat damage. And now we're just gonna jump right in. The first section. So we are going to shake it like the bottle says, and then I absolutely love working with mousse because it's so fun. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have fun using it. All right, let's see what she's doing. And I like how it coats the hair already. I mean, that's not bad. Granted, it does look a little poofy with the root, so we're gonna add a little bit more to the root. And I'm gonna go in with my detangling brush. This is an unbrush, and we're gonna just smooth all of that in. And I like to use a brush just to get everything evenly distributed, and then I like to do prayer hands. This is the first section. What do you guys think? All right, so I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing because I don't want my hair to dry out. Yeah, let's just keep going. I'm excited. If this works, bro, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, y'all heard my arm pop. Goodness. Get the mousse. But what are y'all watching? I cannot wait for the Love Island reunion. I'm so ready. I saw like their outfits and stuff, and I'm like, oh, I'm so ready. It's like when Love Island comes on, I just get submerged in it for some reason because it's so entertaining. I started watching from season 6. I never really watched it before until Serena and them came on. You saw that? This is gonna be a good watch and go. But I really do need to find something else to watch while I wait for Abbott Elementary to come back, because that's like my #1 show that I can just binge. Do y'all watch Abbott? Let me know. Okay, so we have our first section down, and it's looking pretty promising, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna keep going. Get the mousse, brush it in, you know, all the fixins, and yeah, let's go. All right, this is the first half done. What do we think? I think it's doing good. Like, look at this. But then we're gonna get into how I'm gonna dry. So I'll be right back, okay? All right, we are completely done. My hands are like wilted. I think we finished her off, you guys. I was so scared I was gonna have enough to finish, but this is how we are looking. And I feel like I should diffuse, but I don't feel like it. So I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna get on my hooded blow dryer. Love this thing. Literally would not be able to have natural hair without it. If you want it, I'll link it in the description box below. But basically, this just let me dry my hair without having those big bulky ones. I can lay down, dry my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I will show you guys the results tomorrow. But what do you guys think so far? Are we feeling it? What do you think? Let me know.
6.5 hours later.
It is takedown time. I'm not mad, okay? I'm not mad at her. All naturals know if it doesn't scrunch up like this, it's not a good wash and go. So I'm excited because the fact that it was able to clump and like up the hair lets me know that she worked. And it's oddly crunchy. I was expecting less crunch because it was a mousse, but I mean, I'm glad it has hold. Here's more inside shots. That looks pretty good, y'all see like how the coils are like coiling? And this is no gel. I can tell it has hold on it. I can tell that like she did what she needed to do while I was sleeping and drying. Now I'm gonna go in with an oil. I'm using the Aussie Moist one. It's gonna be to just get like the crunch off of the hair and just, you know, waken her up before I stretch. So we're gonna take some oil, put that on the fingertips. And I was really cool with y'all. I'm showing y'all my George Washington, everything. And I'm just gonna like, just fluff out the hair. Like, do y'all see that bounce back? Oh, we're just gonna break the cast a little bit. Before fully breaking the cast, it's after. Like, it's looking good already. And y'all, tell me why I could not find my blow dryer yesterday. You know how I was talking noise, use my blow dryer touch was gonna be so easy. Girl, couldn't even find mine. And so I went walking yesterday because it is 94 degrees in Mississippi. It's so hot. So I went walking to dry my hair and I just let it air dry until today, because I'm like, bro, I talked all that noise and I couldn't even get under my hooded dryer. Don't worry about it though, because let me would have not wanted to find the blow dryer. She would have been everywhere, all in my way. Okay, maybe I put too much product right here, but that's okay. Let's just knock her out. Okay, now I have to stretch, and if you know, you know. I use curl foam to stretch my hair because I feel like it's the like best way to stretch it. And I don't have my blow dryer, so I'm gonna go hop in the shower and then I will be right back after I get done stretching my hair. So,
a few inches later.
let's unbox this hair. I will say, I did make a mistake and get my hair wet while I was in the shower. I know. Hopefully, you know, everything turns out right. I got like the ends wet on all of the little dollops and I'm so sad, but you know what? Can't go back. Let's go forward. Oh, it's still wet. Goodness, I don't know how I did that, y'all. I'm so sorry. We do this one. This wash and go. This one didn't get wet, so we'll pick all our pickings off of her. I don't know if that made sense. Okay. Now our hair is like this, but you already know the drill. We're gonna fluff her. Right? I watched Beauty Shop last night. And I'm just gonna pick it out some. I know y'all see, I'm not gonna even say anything because I know you know my sentiments right now. I know you know how I'm feeling. Like, do we see how good my hair looks right now? And with the mousse? Yeah, I'm gonna start doing my wash and goes with mousses from now on. See the definition? Do you see the body? Do you see the movement? Just the possibilities. Use your mousse to do the next wash and go. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Final thoughts on a mousse only wash and go. Do it. Do it. Don't wait. Go run. Do it. I will link the product I use. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Mousse. Pretty sure it's on Amazon. Pretty sure it's on TikTok Shop. Pretty sure it's at Walmart. I'll link it below. Try for yourself. Like, this is beautiful. Right off the bat, I'm noticing I have a lot more movement. I'm noticing that while I do have some flakage, like it's not like overly flaky gel. It's like you can notice like the stiffness. And I really want a little, you know, I want my fro to be able to, when I, you know, if I move, I want it to move. Just like that. And I don't think that's too much to ask. Will it last as long? We'll see. But bro, and don't mind my bangs. I had to pin her up because she has heat damage. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts below. Like, will you be trying a mousse wash and go? I hope you do. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, make that red button great and subscribe to my channel and follow my beautiful chocolate face. And you can also follow me on all of my social media accounts It's amazing. They're all linked below. Click it. Go like my videos. Go like my pictures. Go comment. Go do all that good stuff. Okay? Thank you. What mousse do y'all think I should use next? I did amp her out a little bit. This is my third time using this though, because I used this on a twist out and on a reverse styling thing. Comment below any recommendations you have so I can try them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.